What is going on? This is AlTone, and this is the monocarbon carbon fiber case for the Apple Watch. So MONOCARBON actually sent me a couple of their products to try out, and this happens to be one of them. It is absolutely fantastic. I love it, and I'm keeping it on my watch from now on. And first of all, it comes in a beautiful, well-designed box for a beautiful and well-designed product. It has a sample of real carbon fiber in the box, as well as a service card so you can contact them if you happen to have any questions. Installation is extremely easy. All you have to do is remove the watch bands and snap the protector in place. This cover fits extremely well and looks professional. They didn't just take time with the packaging, but they also took time to create an awesome product. I love this watch cover, and unlike any of my previous plastic one, I expect it will last for years to come, or at least as long as my watch actually lasts. Make sure you do check out their store on Amazon. They do have quite a few fantastic products for office and for home. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I look forward to talking to you again in a future video.